Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
Choose a slot to use for this game. Getting Polly to say silly sentences is fun. Why not try the talking parrot game? Matching pairs. Peppa and George love to play matching pairs. Match all the pairs to win a sticker. Touch the cards to make a pair. Have a practice. Then try against the clock. Mrs. Duck, Richard Rabbit. Richard Rabbit. That's excellent. Zoe Zebra. Danny Dog. Peppa Pig. Rocket Ship. Zoe Zebra. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Super! Danny Dog. Rocket Ship. Mrs. Duck. Zoe Zebra. Zoe Zebra. That's excellent. Rocket Ship. Danny Dog. Rocket Ship. That's excellent. Mrs. Duck. Danny Dog. Mrs. Duck. Danny Dog. Danny Dog. Super! Mrs. Duck. That's right. Well done. You've won a sticker. Well done. You matched all the pairs. There are lots of fun games to play here. Talking Parrot. Peppa and George love to play with Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 10 silly sentences that Polly says. Press the squares to make a silly sentence and then touch the tick box. Polly Parrot will repeat everything that she hears. Mummy Pig is a happy monkey.
Mummy Pig is a happy monkey.
Try another one. Daddy Pig is a funny pumpkin.
Daddy Pig is a funny pumpkin.
Try another one. Susie Sheep is a big chicken.
Susie Sheep is a big chicken.
Try another one. Peppa Pig is a funny frog.
Peppa Pig is a funny frog.
Try another one. George is a blue car.
George is a blue car.
Try another one. Daddy Pig is a big pig.
Daddy Pig is a big pig.
Try another one. Are you sure? Pedro Pony is a green pumpkin.
Pedro Pony is a green pumpkin.
Try another one. Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Where's Polly? Oh dear, where's Polly? Help Peppa and George find Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 10 times you find Polly. Move through the house and garden to find Polly. Touch all the objects to find where she is hiding. You've found her. Where has Polly gone this time? Where could she be? Try the bedroom. You found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? Try again. Try the bathroom. Try the bathroom. Well done! You've won a sticker. You've found her. Polly, where are you? Where could she be? You found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? Try the bedroom. Try again. You've found her. Where has Polly gone this time? Try again. Is she hiding in the bedroom? You found Polly. Polly, where are you? Try again. Is she hiding in the bedroom? You've found her. Where has Polly gone this time? Try the garden. Try the garden. You found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? Is she hiding in the bedroom? Where could she be? Is she hiding in the bedroom? You've found her. Polly, where are you? You found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? Try the bedroom. Is she hiding in the bedroom? You've found her. Where has Polly gone this time? Try again. You've found Polly. Polly, where are you? Well done! You've won a sticker. You've found her. Where has Polly gone this time? Where could she be? Try the garden. Try the garden. Try the garden. Try the garden. You've found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? Is she hiding in the lounge? You've found her. Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here, dot to dot. Peppa and George love to play dot to dot. You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. Touch the flashing stars with your finger to complete the picture. Well done! You've won a sticker. Are you sure? You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. Touch the numbers in the correct order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well done! You've won a sticker. Well done! You're very good at counting. Are you sure? You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. There are lots of fun games to play here. Stickers. Make a lovely picture with the stickers you've won. That looks lovely. What a smashing picture! What a smashing picture! That looks lovely. What a smashing picture! That looks lovely. What a smashing picture!